Topic 33, my favorite sport. My favorite sport is football because it is exciting, enjoyable, and healthy. Football is one of the most popular sports in the world, and millions of people love to play and watch it. I have liked football since I was a child, and it remains my favorite sport today. I usually play football with my friends after school and on weekends. We meet at a nearby field and divide ourselves into two teams. Everyone is excited to play, and we always have a great time together. Running across the field, passing the ball, and trying to score goals make the game very exciting. One reason I love football is that it helps me stay healthy and active. When I play football, I run a lot and exercise my whole body. It improves my strength, speed, and fitness. After playing, I feel refreshed and energetic. Football also teaches important life skills. It teaches teamwork because players must work together to win. It teaches discipline because everyone must follow the rules. It also teaches patience and determination because success does not come easily. These lessons are useful not only in sports, but also in everyday life. Besides playing football, I enjoy watching football matches on television. I like watching professional players because they are very skilled and talented. I learn new techniques and strategies by watching them play. Sometimes I dream of becoming a great football player in the future. Football also helps me make new friends. When people play together, they learn to communicate, cooperate, and support each other. Through football, I have met many good friends and created wonderful memories. Although winning is exciting, I believe the most important thing is enjoying the game and doing my best. Football brings happiness, health, and valuable experiences into my life. For all these reasons, football is my favorite sport. It helps me stay active, teaches me important lessons, and gives me many joyful moments with my friends.